Lotus always surprising the city, the majestic high-rise, the magnificent structure. Codename Unity is a result of endless rounds of designing, tireless planning, and desire to create a timeless masterpiece here very much itself at Yari Road, Versova. This beautiful structure will flaunt a sleek contemporary design under construction at the moment and will don an elegant glass facade. Every aspect of it has been designed thoughtfully to offer utmost functionality and optimum space utilization. The architectural design and layout ensures best use of sunlight and wind to create a fresh and healthy environment. Standing tall in all its glory, codename Unity will surprise Versova surely. So we have a new project that has come up in Versova Yari Road. This is Unity by Lotus. That's the model flat, the show flat that we're looking at the moment. And this has been designed by one of the interior designers. But all they're going to do is they're going to give the platform the way it is and not furnish it like that. So the buyers can do up the house at their discretion. So it's a show flat, 1003 carpet. So there'll be about 6 flats on each floor, 21-story tower, ready by March 2021. Vitrified tiling, flooring, vitrified, will be provided by the developer. Amazingly done show flat, just to show you how it can be done. An ideal house or a model that can be copied. So as usual, it's going to be 3 bathrooms, 1 common, 2 attached. Pristine, brand new condition as well. Lotus is coming up with quite a few projects. The 3 BHKs are gonna have in the above floors, on the higher floors, they're gonna have balconies in the living space. Height is about gonna be the same. So this is at Yari Road, Versova. Rafique Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. If you want to buy a unit or you want to come and check, do call me. Cheers. So Unity by Lotus, the few highlights of the project is we are on a higher floor, the top floor, in one of the 3 BHKs getting constructed. So the project is spread across a massive 1.65 acres land, the biggest in Versova so far. The workers at it, men at work. Celebrity neighborhood around. You'll bump into many celebrities. And a serene locality with panoramic view of sea and mangroves that we can witness from here. Beautifully landscaped open spaces at ground level as well. You can see the sea from here as well. And it's got 2 and 3 bedroom residences. Smart duplexes and luxurious penthouses as well. One of the celebrities have recently bought a penthouse. And it's got spectacular view from all the houses and the flats and the residences. And accentuated privacy and breathtaking ventilation. There's so much air and it's breezy out here. And Lotus by Unity is a surprise package of branded lifestyle amenities. And there's going to be 5 automated high-speed elevators. Branded again. It's risky out here, but it's worth the risk.